dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Acura CDX Smart Key.
Program the smart key. What we need to be prepared is the K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key produced by Lonsdor. Now plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is smart key generation, Acura CDX. Select the first menu, the smart key produced by Lonsdor. Put into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successful. Return to main menu. The second step is IMO and remote. Find Acura. Select from type. Smart key. Button 3. Add a smart key. We'll start to add key. Click OK. Press the start button twice. See if the ignition switch turns on. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Put the original car keys in the car. Take other keys out of the car. Click OK. Remove other smart keys. Click OK. Put a smart key to be programmed in the car. OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Check if the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Count of the programmed keys. 3. Check whether the key can be used normally and click OK. Programming complete. Now, let's see if the keys work. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try to see if the remote control works. New key lock car. Unlock. The new key is normal. The original car key lock. Unlock. The original car key is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2018 Acura CDX. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.